In this video, I'm going to teach you simple solutions on how to fix Control key or the CTRL key is not working in your Windows 11 keyboard. So without any further ado, let's begin. The first solution that you can do is that you need to restart your computer. So navigate to the start, go with your power menu options and click on restart. Yes, you need to restart your computer because in some instances, when you restart your computer, your problem will be fixed. Once you've restarted it, try to press your control key, both of the control key, and check if it's working. However, if not, then let's move on to the second method. The second method would be here at the bottom search bar. Please type for CMD. Once you've typed it, you need to wait until a best match, which is a command prompt system, would appear. And once it's here, please navigate to the right side and click on Run as Administrator. So click on it, and if you would receive a notification where your user account control would ask you to say yes, click on yes so that you can continue on running this window. So in this blue or white area, it might be white area in your case, please make a right click and go with the properties. So simply click on it, and in that way you'll be able to bring up the command prompt properties. So under these options, you need to check this enable control key shortcuts. So if in your case it is disabled, enable that and click on the OK button here and close the window and proceed to the third solution. The third solution will be here at the start, make a right click, scroll up and click on the device manager. So here at the device manager where we can see all of the drivers here that are very relevant to our computer. So by that, we need to proceed to the keyboard, select it, click on this forward arrow key beside it, and there you can see your keyboard driver, make a right click and click on update driver. So it will ask you to choose two options. Please proceed first with search automatically for drivers. And if your computer says that the best drivers for your device are already installed, close the window, make a right click, click on Update Driver, and this time you need to select for Browse my computer for drivers manually, and please choose for Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer, and please select the keyboard driver here, okay, which is compatible to your computer. Click on Next, and please install it or update your keyboard driver. Once done, please restart your computer. Once you've restarted it, try to check if the problem has been fixed. However, if not, then we need to move on to the last method. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe and give this video a thumbs up so you won't miss any of our upcoming tutorial. We would really appreciate your support. So the last solution that you can do is that you need to select the keyboard again, make a right click, and this time please click on uninstall device, okay? So you might think that the moment you will uninstall this keyboard driver, you can no longer use your keyboard. You can still use it, okay? You just have to click on uninstall and then restart your computer. Once you've restarted it, you would be able to reinstall again, okay? It's just that you have reinstalled again the keyboard driver here in your Windows 11. In that way, you would be able to fix the problem. Okay, so those were the simple solutions on how to fix your CTRL or the control key is not working in your Windows 11. If those steps had helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Now, thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.